has really hammered us as a country, and schools have not been spared, and all institutions of learning. And I know that the technology has allowed us to do virtual learning and so on, but most schools in Zambia can't afford that. So, and psychologically, children should not be kept at home for the rest of their lives. They can be affected in one way or another. They need socializing. But then, having said that, we need to make sure that these schools are ready and they have what it takes to keep the children in school. Now, I must say that with the private sector schools, this may be easy. They were ready to open the schools even from, I think, 11th of January. But we have stories all over concerning the government schools that most of them have not been disinfected and so on. So we don't know how safe really the situation is in most of these government schools. Coupled also with the fact that the Ministry of Health, which should have worked in tandem with the Ministry of Education to make sure that there are things provided that can protect these schools, hasn't been up to the game. We also have situations now where even probably the medications or disinfectants that are given may not be those of quality in tandem with what we are getting now, with most of the supplies from the Ministry of Health that have been deemed to be either fake or expired and so on. So we don't even know whether these chemicals given in the schools to disinfect are the right chemicals. So really we have that fear. But if all the measures are taken, I think we should not worry. We shouldn't have been in a worried situation. But because of all these facts which I've given, we are not sure really whether the children are safe in these schools or not. Mm-hmm. But otherwise, it's important that the children have to really attend schools.
How do you measure